Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudinku Foodies. Today we are making quick and easy whole wheat bread. This hearty, wholesome loaf is made with whole wheat flour and it doesn't require yeast. It's perfect for morning toast, sandwiches, or as a simple side with soup or curry. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. So we'll add 3 cups of whole wheat flour to a bowl, followed by 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoon cornstarch. Using a spoon, give it a good mix. Now add 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 1/3 cup of natural plain yogurt or curd. Mix everything well to form a soft dough. Transfer the dough into a well-greased loaf pan. And spread it out evenly. Brush some milk on top. Then sprinkle flax seeds or any seeds you like. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 55 minutes. Since this is a no yeast bread, it might get a slight crack while baking, and that's completely normal. Once baked, allow the bread to cool completely. This recipe is one of my favorites. It's super easy, healthy, stores very well in the fridge for up to a week, and it tastes amazing with my daals and curries. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you're looking for a healthy bread recipe that's easy to make as well, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon. Happy eating! I'll see you next time.